Hello folks, we come to the part 7 video of this exercise, and 3.4 we were doing the 3x3 matrix. We have just done one problem. Now this is our second problem. So let's continue. We have learned the format and we are going to do it in that format. First we will call this matrix as A. Let A be this matrix. Then we also have the assumption that A equal to IA because we are taking row transformations. So you have got 1, 3, minus 2 here, minus 3, 0, minus 5, 2, 5, 0, and you have this 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1. A. Initially these working here is difficult. Later on working on that side becomes difficult as the problem proceeds. So let's move off. Yeah, ideally we've got a 1 here, so we will not fiddle with that much. We will directly try to eliminate these two. So if we have to get a plus 3 here, it's very clear, yeah, in order to get a 0. So what we are going to do is R2, we are going to make R2 plus 3 times R1 so that we can get the plus 3. So what will happen? 3R1 means it's plus 9, 3 means it's minus 6, 3 means it's plus 3, so let's have this 1, 3, minus 2, this is 0, this is 9, and this is minus 11, and here it is 2, 5 and 0. Here it is 1, 0, 0, 3, 1, 0, and 0, 0, 1, 8. We have to get a 0 here, so obviously it's clear that we are going to do R3 with R3 minus 2 R1, so that we are able to get minus 2. This will be minus 2, this is 6, so it's minus 6, this is 4, so it's plus 4, this is minus 2, and so on. So let's move. 1, 3, minus 2, 0, 9, minus 11, this is 0, minus 1, and 4. Here it is 1, 0, 0, 3, 1, 0, minus 2, 0, 1, 8. So that's about it. So we've got this. Now our next aim is to get 1 over here. So we could do what? You could go in for a division, but that's really clumsy. You could do this. You could get a minus 8, then your work is done, and that you can get from here, right? So let's go for that kind of a thing. That is more workable. So we will do one thing. We will transform R2 such that R2 is plus 8 times R3. So what will happen? This will become minus 8. This 8 4s are 32. So plus 32. This is 8. So minus 16. This is plus 8. So let's see what comes here. 1, 3, minus 2, 0, 1, 32 minus 11, 1, 21. This is 0, minus 1, 4, that's unchanged, and here it is 1, 0, 0, 0, 3, minus 16 I suppose, so it's minus 13, minus 13, 1 and 8, minus 2, 0 and 1, 8. Okay, so that is done. Now we obviously look at this, so this has to become 0, so this will become 0 to get a plus 1, and for getting a plus 1 we might as well do R3 plus R2, right? So we'll get a plus 1 here, you get a plus 21 here, we'll get a minus 13 here, you get a plus 1 here, you get a plus 8 here. So let's check. 1, 3, minus 2, 0, 1, 21, 0, 0, 25. 1, 0, 0, minus 13, 1, 8, minus 15, 1, and 9, 8. Right. Our next intention is to get a 1 here, and with 25 there's no way rather than dividing. So R3 we are going to divide by 25. So what will happen? 1, 3, minus 2, 0, 1, 21, 0, 0, 1, and this is 1, 0, 0, minus 13, 1, 8, minus 15 by 25, 1 by 25, 9 by 25, 8. Okay, this is an easy way, but we will not do it. Why? Because maybe later on working will be difficult, when you have something like this. Let it remain like that. If it need this, we will reduce. Okay, so all the much is done. Next is to get this. And how we'll get this? R2 should become R2 minus 21 times R3, right? Directly you will get it as, get it reduced. So don't fiddle with R1 at all, because R1 has got so many entries. These two are very compatible, so many zeros. So in between only you can, we have seen that maximum we have worked with R2, R3, R2, R3 like that, because there are many zeros, ones, so it becomes very compatible and very easy to work. So R1 we will not touch at all, because it is going to hinder, and it has got too many entries, right? So now this has become so well behaved, only one entry, so it helps you a lot. So what will happen? This is of course very well done. 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1. So it's like almost done, but this side is not going to be so easy. Let's try. This is 1, 0, 0. Last entry is minus 15. That is untouched. 1 by 25 and 9 by 20. But what we are doing here is R2 minus 21 times R3. Okay, so let's take this out. Minus 13 plus 21 into 15 by 25, not this. Okay, and this is going to be 1 minus, oh that's easy, 21 by 25. This entry is going to be 8 minus 21 into 9 by 25. A lot of work, so better do it separately. So we'll have this equalized into 25 into 25. So minus 13 into 25 plus 21 into 15. This is the most complex size. The others are a little more easy. Let's find this. 25 into 13. 13 5s are 65, 6 carry. 13 2s are 26, 32. So this is minus 325. Then 21 into 15. 15 ones are 15, 1 carry. 30 and 31. 315 by 25. So that will work to 25 and 15, so only 10. Minus 10 by 25. This is minus 10 by 25. Okay, how about this equalizing? 25, 25. 25 minus 21, 4 by 25. So this is 4 by 25. This is the easiest. And this now equalizing into 25 into 25. So 25 into 8 we know it's 200, because 25 into 4 is 100. So 200. 9 ones are 189. Oh, that's it. Like 200 minus 189, it's going to be 11, right? So this is 11 by 25. This is 11 by 25. So that much done. Okay, so now only 2 more entries, but of course they are, these denominators are going to haunt you. We have to get this and this eliminated. So R1 is going to be R1 minus 3 times R2. So minus 3 times R2. So plus 30 by 25 plus 12 by 25. It is minus, huh? So minus and minus plus, this is minus. Then minus 33 by 25. Okay, so let's see what will come here. This is now 1, 0 and minus 2. 0, 1, 0 and 0, 0, 1. These entries are same. Minus 10 by 25, 4 by 25, 11 by 25, minus 15 by 25, 1 by 25, 9 by 25. Now this is going to be how 1 plus 30 by 25. So equalize 25 by 25. So it will be 55 by 25. Right? And this is going to be 0 minus 12 by anything. It's just minus 12 by 25. 0 minus 33 by is also 33 by minus 33 by 25. So that much is done. Now next step is to get a 0 here. So it's plus 2, right? So R1 will become R1 plus 2 times R3. So what will happen? 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1. And R1 is same, so all other things at least we can write and keep. Minus 10 by 25, 4 by 25, 11 by 25 minus 15 by 25, 1 by 25. It's a clever idea to check whether till now it is correct or not. I'll just check once again. Minus 10, 4, 11, minus 15, 1. Yes, so far so good. Alright. Plus 2 times R3. So 2. So it's like minus 30 by 25. This is plus. So plus 2 by 25. Then plus 18 by 25. So 55 minus 30 is 25 by 25, which is 1. Yeah. Then minus 12 plus 2. So that's minus 10. Right? Minus 33 plus 18. So 5. Yeah, 20 minus 25. No, yeah, minus 25 by 25. That's minus 1. This is not correct. Oh yeah, 2 minus 1, 1. Yeah, sorry. It's minus 15 by 25. Yeah. So that's how it is. And that is your inverse. Therefore, A inverse is, if you want to take the 1 by 25 outside, 25 minus 10 minus 15, then minus 10, 4, 11, minus 15, 1. That's about it. Again, one more 3x3 left in the exercise that we're taking it up in a fresh video. Thank you.